Hello friends, welcome to Padhuskitchen. As Diwali is round the corner, today we are going to make Omapodi. The first step is to sieve the bengal gram flour or besan, kadalai mavu in Tamil. In a bowl add 2 teaspoons carom seeds, 1 teaspoon rock salt, 2 red chilies, asafoetida. Add hot water, let it soak for 30 minutes. You can use any cup measurement but use the same cup for measuring rice flour also. You need 3 parts bengal gram flour, 1 part rice flour. Use the same cup for measuring the flour. Add a teaspoon of ghee, mix it well with your fingertips. This is soaking for 30 minutes. Blend this with the water. Now strain it. Add kneaded water to make a soft dough. This is the Omapodi maker. Use the disc with many holes. Grease it with oil or ghee. Heat oil. Drop a small piece of dough. If it rises to the surface immediately, oil is ready for frying. Turn the heat to medium. Squeeze the dough in a circular motion. Wait for some time. Flip it over to the other side. Once it turns golden brown, remove from oil. Repeat the same for the rest of the dough. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Padhuskitchen. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I post a video. Do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.